Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. Today, we're breaking down one of the most confusing parts of choosing a Mr. steam generator, the controls. If you've ever looked at the catalog, you've probably seen names like iSteamX, TempoFlex, iTempo, and TempoTouch, and at first glance, they all look similar. But they're actually designed for very different types of users and very different bathroom styles. So in this video, 1LL walk you through what each control does, who it's best for, and how to choose the right one for your steam shower. The iSteamX is Mr. Steam's flagship touchscreen control, and honestly, it's one of the most premium interfaces in the entire steam industry. It features a full-color display, gesture-style navigation, and a completely sealed design made to survive steam, water, and heat. With the iSteamX, you get the full Mr. Steam ecosystem. Steam temperature and duration, warm-up modes, aroma steam, chroma steam lighting, music and audio integration, updated Wi-Fi and app controls, wellness routines, and presets. If you want the most luxurious, most modern, and most intuitive steam shower experience, the iSteamX is the one. TempoFlex replaces the old AirTempo control, but it keeps the same core concept. A clean, modern control that can mount wirelessly on glass or tile. And yes, it really works. All it needs is a small remote hub that connects to the generator. Everything else is touch-based and battery-powered. TempoFlex gives you temperature and time control, on, off, steam session progress, a clean minimalist look, battery operation with long life, and flexible placement, even on glass. If you love the idea of a clean, uncluttered shower, or you don't want to run cables behind tile, TempoFlex is the perfect option. The iTempo control has been in the lineup for years, and it's still extremely popular. Why? Because it's simple, durable, and does exactly what most people need. iTempo gives you temperature control, time control, on-off functions, and a minimal round design with no screen to fog up. It doesn't have app control, lighting control, aroma control, or music integration, but not everyone needs those features. If you want something reliable, timeless, and easy to use, iTempo is the no-nonsense choice. TempoTouch sits at the bottom of the choices. It gives you a modern touchscreen look, but without the full smart home features of the iSteamX or Tempo. It's a very basic control. What you get with TempoTouch: a simple button-oriented control, time and temperature settings, warm-up and pause functions, a cleaner, more refined look than iTempo, a more budget-friendly alternative to all controls. What you don't get: music control, aroma integration, app or Wi-Fi based features, and multi-sensory modes. So if you love the idea of a clean touchscreen but don't need every feature under the sun, TempoTouch is a great middle ground solution. Here's the easiest way to think about Mr. Steam's control lineup. iSteamX, best for luxury builds. Touchscreen, Wi-Fi, music, aroma, lighting, wellness presets. This is the Rolls-Royce option. TempoFlex, best for clean, cable-free designs. Wireless installation, minimalist style, and simplicity. iTempo, best for reliability and simplicity. No screen, no fuss. Durable and timeless. TempoTouch, best mid-range touchscreen. Basic control without premium features. The right choice depends mostly on your shower design and your personality. Choose iSteamX if you want the most luxurious experience, you want app control, you want music, aroma, and lighting. Choose TempoFlex. If you want a clean, cable-free look, you want the simplest possible installation, you love modern minimalism, choose iTempo. If you want a reliable, classic control, you don't care about smart features, you're on a budget, you want something durable that just works, choose TempoTouch. If you want a basic control, but you don't need aroma, music, or Wi-Fi features, and you want a cheap price point. Mr. Steam does a great job offering something for everyone. Whether you want a fully immersive spa experience or just a clean, reliable control, there's a perfect option in the lineup. If you want help choosing the right control or generator, You can reach out to us anytime at Opulent Recreations. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more real-world insights or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.